Hello everyone, this is Mahima and partners. My partner's name is Ashutosh. We are from Health Ops. We have created an app specifically for healthcare industry. So in healthcare, patient don't fall through the cracks because care doesn't exist. They fall through cracks because operations break. Referrals are received, documentations arrive, authorizations are approved, and then nothing happens. Cases go stale, authorization expires, caregivers aren't matched, billing gets delayed or denied. Healthcare has EHR systems, scheduling tools, and billing system, but no system that orchestrate this entire cycle end to end. No two communicating factors between organizations and the tools the organizations have been using. So we are problem that we are trying to solve is in the home-based care provider industry where they're providing ECM, community supports, and home health, personal care sort of services, imaging centers and outpatient services, care coordinations, and revenue cycle operation teams. We've targeted California as a market because they have a lot of Medcal, managed care programs, county systems. Each referrals has passed eligibility authorization and documentation check process. And this was currently done manually or in the Excel system, which take a lot of manual labor and too much of time processing tedious jobs. This is the system that we have built. How it looks is this is how our dashboard looks, how many active clients we have, how many pending people we need to schedule, how many urgent pending cases that we need to take action on. It highlights them into urgent or routine. If there are segments like yellow, orange, red, green, which sorts the data into a well analyzed and structured way. If you click on analyze, it analyzes the um, each and every case or the client's data. It tells you why this case needs immediate action is because the client status says ready with warnings. Warnings are home assessment is not completed, compliance guardrails are not met. That's why this person is not ready to be paired. So if we need to pair this specific thing needs to be updated. Then we have the journey board, which talks about each and every client and where they are lagging. If their documentations are pending, home assessments are pending, if they are ready to be scheduled, or like if they're already scheduled or ready to be built. So that's when each and every referral passes to each of the steps and then it's notified. At the end, when the schedule is created, it hits email to the customer stating that the schedule has been created, caregiver is paired, and it gives the details of the each and every caregiver that's going to visit and help the customer with the services. We have a PDF intake system because healthcare works on a lot of documentation. So we created a PDF intake system. So I'm just going to show a quick demo on what it's going to look like. I'm just going to select billing readiness file that we created as a demo piece. I'm going to parse it. We are using Landing AI to parse this documentation, and then it gets connected to a database. It lets me know if the file is having some error. It tells me and it gets added into the error. So if I want to put any compliance document in my system, then I'm just going to select a compliance PDF and then just going to parse it. When I parse it, it gives me so basically it's taking a little bit of time, but yeah, it gives me that compliance guardrails have been saved, and then you see compliance is one here. If you want to check all the compliance, you click on compliance here. You can see how many files and data PDFs that have been stored in compliance. But yeah, that's how the whole system is working on. We have entire data of caregivers, we have entire scheduled clients data for the team's operations, and we have referrals and the dashboard that shows the visualization. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. If there are new leads that are coming in, it gets uploaded into this. If we click on this simulate new referral intake, it just populates the new lead here. You see reference 2004 is the new lead that got in, and how was the urgency status for this person. And it says like not scheduled because the person has to go through different pipelines. But all the work is done by the agents and it's not done any manually. So we want to change the entire healthcare system. So we are building this sales force of healthcare operations, starting with referrals to billing orchestration in California's most complex care programs. Thank you, everyone.